YouTube, hello. It has been a little while since I last uploaded on here, and today I'm going to be harvesting some potatoes from my potato plot that I planted around, I want to say October or November-ish, and it was my first time planting them. This is my first season starting a garden, so I just wanted to see what type of harvest we got. I actually dug up a spot a few days ago just to see if I'd get any, and I got like 3 potatoes out of it. So I'm curious to see what I got on the other ones because I actually have a few more potatoes that I want to plant. So I'm just going to get in there and see what we got, and yeah, bring you guys along with me to see what I get. All right, so the first spot that I dug was right here. So I'm gonna dig up all this. I'm gonna pull the foliage off first, and then I'm gonna go in there and dig around in the dirt and see what I can get. So yeah. All right, I got most of the foliage out. As you can see, quite a bit of weeds and stuff and whatnot in here. So I'm just gonna start digging now and see what we get. Oh, actually, look at that. Look at these little babies. Look at these little babies. Oh yeah. All right, let's get in here and see what we get. All right, let's see what we can find. Still got weeds I gotta get out, so it's a weed. Just a leaf or cardboard. Oh, potato right there. There we go. So I got 1, 2, 3 over there. Oh, got another one right here. So these potatoes that I planted, they had roots on them about this long, and I just kept neglecting them and not, wanting to go outside and plant them. And one day I was just like, man, these are getting out of hand. They look like some Alien versus Predator type embryo or something. So I was like, man, it's time to go plant these outside. And I planted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 of them. but they all had those long roots on them, right? Another potato right here. And like I said, the only reason I'm harvesting these right now is because decent sized one right here. Look at that. The only reason I'm harvesting these right now is because, oh, here we go. Are we hitting the jackpot now? Yeah, we got another decent sized one right here. The only reason I'm harvesting these right now is because I have some more inside that are sprouted, and I just want to go ahead and get those planted just to do it, you know. Bunch of dirt right here. Yeah, this is probably going to take a little while, so I'm going to go ahead and dig around in here, see what I can find, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, so as you can see, I have a bunch of small potatoes, but not really big ones, and I pretty much dug up everything in this bed. But I'm actually going to take all this over to the sifter because I don't feel like digging through all this and shaking all of it out, and I actually made something to make my job in life a lot easier. So this is what we got so far. It's not too bad. I mean, like I said, it's my first time doing it, but hey, we can only get better from here, right? So I'm gonna get all this dug up, take it over to the sifter, and then we're gonna get everything that's left in here. So, and then we're gonna plant those potatoes back in this same bed, ferment it with some liquid fertilizer I made, and yeah, see what we get next time. So I'm gonna go do this and get that set up. All right, so we have most of the dirt in here, and what we're gonna be using is this compost center that I made. So I just put some bricks in front of here because I didn't make these pads long enough, so all the heavy and thick stuff is gonna drop down here, and all the fine compost is gonna drop down here. So if you don't have something like this, I would highly recommend investing into it because you're gonna see how fast I run through all this compost, and it's just a time saver. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Here we go. like I said, most of the thicker stuff drop down there, and all the finer compost drop down here. So like I said, this thing is such a time saver. This was all the harvest we got right here. Not really much of a harvest. I'm not really too disappointed because, like I said, this was my first time doing this. So at least I know it works. And in those other potatoes, they were so like, they didn't have, so these are the new ones I'm gonna be planting, right? You see all the sprouts popping out of these. So I got 6 potatoes. I just wanted to document this so I can know how much I'm planting, and I'm gonna be planting those over here in the spot that I dug the old ones up in. So I'm gonna level this all out, plant them in here, and then see what I get this time. So I'm planting 6. And as you can see, I got other potatoes still in here too. So I'm just kind of gonna leave these in here, just, you know, because they're not too big. So hopefully they sprout more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get these planted, and then I'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.